Time for some science explanation. Which one would hit the ground first if I were to drop them from the same height at the same time?
Basketball.
You think the basketball would hit the ground
because
first?
the basketball's heavier.
Okay, so I'm going to drop these with the bottoms at the same height for the same time. They hit at the same time, didn't they?
Yeah.
Do you know why?
Why?
It's the same earth pulling them down.
Gravity.
Anyway, check out the links in the description. Okay, so here I have a basketball and a golf ball. If I take the basketball, hold it about straight out, and drop it, it ends up at that height.
Okay, now if I take a golf ball and I do the same thing, it's about the same, okay?
Now watch what happens when I take the basketball and stack the golf ball on top of it. Why does that happen? Let's take a look at it again. Notice the height that the basketball went compared to what it used to go. And notice the height that the golf ball went compared to where it used to go.
Someone go like this.
So that basketball and golf ball together, we see concepts of energy being transferred from one object to another. You're going to find topics like that specifically in your physics classes on Ingenuity. But whatever energy that basketball loses, the golf ball gains. The basketball acts as a catapult for the golf ball. The interesting thing to me is if the basketball's by itself or the golf ball's by itself, you don't see that interaction. You don't see that interaction. Kind of like people. Have you ever had someone give you a boost in something? It takes some effort and some energy away from them in order to do that. If you go it alone, you're not going to be able to soar as high as you could without a little bit of a boost. This has been an episode of Kitchen Table Science. I hope that it was helpful, and I hope that you enjoyed it.